What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle, and yes, this is my new YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell, so whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the all notification bell on all the YouTube channels. Talking this one right here, King Hussle, King Hussle 2.0, King Hussle X1M, the Hussle family, King Hussle crazy reactions, and turn motivation into means. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom in the description, all my social media links will pop up. Alright, so got a lot of fake social media platforms out there scamming people on IG, Telegram, YouTube, you name it. Alright, so before y'all send y'all money to anybody, please get a FaceTime verification call or video to make sure you see this face, make sure you're doing legit business, and you getting what you paid for. All right. And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody gonna do anything. So let's get this thing started. So today I'm gonna be dropping another gem for y'all where y'all can get up to $20,000. Yes, $20,000 in signature loans. Like I said, it's another credit union, federal credit union that's there's a lot of people don't know about. They on the rise. A lot of people are starting to join them. They based out of Miami, Florida, and they're giving people money. All right, point blank period. They want people to join their bank. They want to start building money, and because you do know when banks give you loan, they make money off you. How do they make money off you? The APR. All right, so that percentage that they're making off of you, that extra money that you're paying back on that loan, is the money that they're making off of you. So the more money they can lend out is the more money they're going to make back, because regardless if you pay it back or not, they're going to make their money. All right, so today we're going to be talking about a place called Tropical Financial Credit Union that will give you up to $20,000. Now it's $10,000 personal loan, it's $10,000 personal line of credit, and they also got no credit check loans out there for people who have bad credit and looking to build their credit so they can start getting these major loans and major credit cards and major lines of credit, like we've been discussing before in previous videos on this channel. All right, so today we're going to be talking about Tropical Financial Credit Union. All right, they're giving out $10,000 personal loans, $10,000 personal lines of credit, and then giving out no credit check bad credit loans. All right, it's for people out there. So people out there that's looking to get high limit loans, high limit credit cards, high limit lines of credit, like I told you guys in previous videos, you want to start focusing on your credit report. You want to make sure you got a good your credit report is in a good standard. You want to make sure it's looking real good because they're going to go look at it. And when they go look at it, you want to make sure it's looking real good. All right, and a lot of people don't understand that. All right, a lot of people don't understand how to add trade lines to their credit report. A lot of people don't understand how to add AUs to your credit report, because once you learn these type of things, you will understand that it doesn't take too much to rebuild your credit. You just got to have the will and the want to do it, and you got to actually want to build your credit, because when you learn that credit was everything, credit will get you things easier in life and save you money, you're going to be right on it. All right, so today we're going to be talking about Tropical Financial Credit Union. Without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, so today we're going to be talking about Tropical Financial Credit Union. All right, Florida Personal Loans and PLOCS. All right, it's easy for life to happen, but it's even easier to get a personal loan when it does. Let TFCU guide you through the quick process to your credit union personal loan and personal line of credit. All right, apply now for your personal loan. So get started with your credit union personal loan or line of credit. So for the personal loan, they got competitive fixed rates, fixed term, and fixed monthly payment. No orientation fee or prepayment penalty, so you can pay the loan back before the due date. It won't be penalized. Simple online application and funding process. They have loans from $500 to $10,000 with secured and unsecured options. So they got loans where you can secure, meaning you put up collateral, or they got loans where you don't need any collateral, right? Personal line of credit. Competitive rates from terms compared to most lenders. No orientation fee or prepayment penalty. Relationship discounts and qualified members. So the relationship with this bank matters. Simple online application and funding process. Loans from $500 to $10,000 with secured and unsecured options. So like I said, remember, you get you a personal line of credit. Let's say you get it for $10,000. You only lose $7,000. You're only responsible for the $7,000. Vice versa, you get you a personal loan for $10,000. No matter if you only use $7,000, you're still responsible for the whole $10,000. So that's the difference between a personal loan and a personal line of credit. All right. So no credit check loan. This loan is available to current members that have a relationship with the credit union for more than 12 months. All right, here are the perks. Loans from $500 to $1,000. Apply and get a decision in less than 60 seconds. The application available through online banking, funds deposit to your TFCU savings account in minutes. All right, so that's what I'll be trying to tell y'all. Make sure your relationship with these banks are in good standing. Make sure you have a relationship with the bank, because it'll be easier for you if you have bad credit or some things just don't meet the criteria for you to get that loan. But since you have a good relationship with that bank, it'll be easier for you to get that loan or line of credit or credit card regardless. All right, so check out the credit union personal loan and line of credit rates in Florida. All right, so this is just, anybody can sign up, but they're just based in Florida. So unsecured personal loans rates as low as 8.75 APR. We recommend this option when you need to borrow money for a one-time expense. You enjoy one-time lump sum with a fixed rate and consistent monthly payments. Other conditions may apply. They got the personal line of credit rates as low as 15%. We recommend this option if you are looking to have money for unexpected expenses or for overdraft protection. It works like a credit card, so you can borrow money when you need it most. Variable rates based on prime rate. Other conditions may apply. All right. So they got the secured line of credit for 2.55 APR. We recommend this option if you are looking for a way to help you build your credit while continuing to earn interest on the money in your savings account held as a collateral. Variable rates based on current savings rate, 2.50. Other conditions may apply. All right, and they got the Q cash loan, 16.99. All right, we recommend this option if you needed additional funds to help cover an unexpected expense. This option is for current members that have been with the CU for 12 or more months. The application must be submitted through online banking. Other conditions may apply. All right, so use personal loan or line of credit to calculator for an estimate on your monthly payment. So what is a personal loan? A personal loan is the money borrowed in a one-time amount that you pay back in a fixed monthly payments over a certain period of time. Typically, personal loans are unsecured, which means they are not backed by things such as car, house, etc. However, credit and proof of income are required for eligibility in most cases. All right, what is a personal line of credit and secured line of credit? All right, a line of credit, whether it is a personal or secured, is a revolving account in which a borrower can draw from when it is needed. Similar to a credit card, there are a limit on the amount someone can borrow, and the amount borrowed must be paid back. Personal lines of credit are typically unsecured and require good credit scores and proof of income. Similarly, secured lines of credit work the same. However, savings accounts are used as collateral, right? So how can a credit union personal line of credit help me? All right, so it just goes down to that. So best ways to use personal loans with lines of credit. All right, so personal loan, consolidating debt, home remodeling, furniture, appliances, cosmetic surgery, vision care, dental, orthodontics, Christmas shopping, veteran care, getting married, having children, funerals. So it breaks down which ones would be best for which. So how does the personal loan process work? Compare. It is a personal loan or a line of credit is a better choice for you. We can guide you through the pros and cons of each to decide which option is best for you. Apply, relax, and then close on the loan. All right. So Tropical Financial Credit Union. Build a relationship with them, then apply. Like I said, get y'all credit reports together, then go apply, and you'll have a better chance of getting a $10,000 loan and a $10,000 line of credit. And they also have credit cards for people who are interested in a credit card. So make sure you go check them out. Go apply. If you're looking to get a second chance, get you a bad credit loan or credit card, check them out. Without further ado, Tropical Financial Credit Union, let's talk about it. All right, so there you go. Tropical Financial Credit Union, based out of Miami, Florida, basically. You can go get you a $10,000 loan and a $10,000 personal line of credit, $20,000. Build your relationship. If your credit is bad and you got a good relationship with you, I know a couple people who got approved for that $10,000 loan just because their credit report, not their credit report, but how much money they had coming in and the relationship that they built with that bank, they still got approved for that $10,000. All right, so make sure y'all building these relationships with these banks. Just don't get up, watch my videos, and then jump up and go apply for a loan. No. You got to make sure your business is in order. You got to make sure your credit report is right. You got to make sure everything is right. So when they go look at your information, information, it looks good enough so they can approve you for the loan. And in previous videos, I already explained to you guys how to clean your credit, build your credit, make it look good so you can get approved for all these loans and credit cards that you guys want so bad. And we all need them, all right? So like I said, credit will save you money. Credit will get you in the door to do anything that you want to do, all right? You got $50,000 and you want to go buy that house for $50,000 right there. Boom. You spend that whole $50,000 that you got. You're back to square one, but you got that house. Now you got to save money to do this and do that. Vice versa, you having the credit to go get you a $50,000 loan. You save your $50,000. You buy that house. You still got $50,000. Now you can make those, do whatever you need to fix it up, rent the house out, make money off of it, and pay the loan back and keep your money. Easy as that. So that's why I stress and preach credit so much. Credit rebuilding, credit repair, because we all need it. If more of minorities was in the position with good credit, we have more people running businesses. We have more people doing more positive things out there. We have more people in the offices. We have more people running the world of our ethnicity. And it don't matter what color you are, but we just need to be more aware of what credit really can do for you in your life. All right, so a lot of people out there that watch my videos, they just want to get money. They want somebody just to give it to them. There's a lot of people who watch my videos who just want money. They don't care about nothing else. They just want to get money. Well, in order to make money some type of way, you got to have some type of knowledge about something, point blank period. I don't care what you're doing. You're not going to be able to do anything unless you have the knowledge to do it. All right, so whatever you're trying to do out there, make sure you get the knowledge for it, because knowledge is power. I stress that all day. You want to do major things, you want to do big things in life, you got to get the knowledge. You got to learn about it. You got to learn how to do it. You got to learn how to be successful in it. You're not going to be successful every time. You got to take your L's so you can learn how to do it next time so you can be successful in it. They're not losses, they're lessons. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in, watching my videos. And when you watch them, make sure you listening and you hearing what I'm saying, because if you really hearing what I'm saying, you can connect the dots to all my other videos. You can start making you some money, all right? And that's why I offer lessons, because sometimes people need a little help. People want to be hands-on. People want me to guide them to success. So that's what I do. I offer lessons to do that. So shout out to everybody that's been watching. Shout out to all my new subscribers. Shout out to all my old subscribers. Shout out to all my new supporters and old supporters, because without y'all, there'd be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping this sauce. Y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. So I'm going to keep on dropping videos. So shout out to y'all. Still looking for people for the production company. Rappers, actors, models, content creators, cameraman, producers. All right, music reviews is $200. You want to join the team, show me your music, you want me to see what you got, it's going to be $200. FYI, please do not tell me I need to sign you, I need to work with you, I need to do anything with you because you're the next big thing, you're the hottest thing, any of that right there, because it's a lot of factors to make it make sense. This entertainment business is not cheap. It costs a whole lot of money to get one person popping. It takes a lot of money for traveling expenses, marketing, promotion, music videos, wardrobe, placements, interviews. All that costs. Nothing in life is free. So if you got a problem with paying $200 to a person you supposedly want to sign to or want to do business with to review your music, I do not need to be doing business with you. I got a lot of people, I tell them $200 and they know it's $200 because I post it on my stories and everywhere all the time. So there's no way for you not to know, and they think they slick that I'm just going to listen to it. So then when I tell them $200, they get mad and try to be disrespectful. You already showing me why I don't need to be working with you anyway. So make sure when y'all contact me or DM me on my IG or any of my platforms, you're ready to work. You got your money together and you're ready to handle business, because if you're not, I will not respond. Point blank period. This is not nothing personal. This is business. A lot of people don't know how to handle business. Another thing, when y'all DM me on IG or anywhere, please know how to talk to somebody. Y'all do understand that this is not personal. This is business. We are not cool. I do not know y'all. So this is not no he ha ha. Yo, what's up, bro? I'm trying to get paid. I'm not responding to none of that. What I respond to? Unlimited gems. I'm trying to get my unlimited gems, my $500 on my Cash App, or I'm trying to get mentorship, $1,500 on my Cash App, or I got it in cash, I'm willing to pay Walmart to Walmart, I'm ready. That's how you're supposed to DM me, ready to handle business. Not, hey, I got a couple of questions, or I need help with this, can you help? No, I will not respond to you. Y'all know my prices, they posted all over, so please be ready to work when you DM me, or you will not get a response. Okay? Boom. So content creators, you out there making YouTube videos, you ready to elevate, you ready to start getting paid on YouTube, tap in with me, sign the H&E. I'm going to show you how to make that happen. Models, any beautiful young ladies out there that's ready to elevate in life, that's ready to start getting paid, that's ready to start getting their platform, their brand out there. You got a good head on your shoulders. You can't be corrected. You can't be directed. There's a lot of people out there with bad attitudes, a lot of women that feel like we owe them something and they're not doing anything. Listen, I'm only trying to work with young, not even young, women that have a good head on their shoulders, that understand that, you know what, maybe this guy knows a little bit about something. Clearly he does know something about something, so let me see if he can help me out a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Everybody needs a little help with something. I need help with certain things. I can't do everything by myself, so please make it make sense. It's a lot of y'all that's living hotel to hotel. It's a lot of y'all that's still in strip clubs. It's like 30, 35, 40. It's a lot of y'all still doing young lady things that if you ain't elevated yet, then something ain't right. So let me help you elevate. Let me help you get on the right path. Let me help you get your credit together. Let me help you make these millions, and I guarantee you're going to be happy. All right, so tap in with me, models. Any producers out there, tap in with me. Any cameraman out there, if you in Houston, Texas, you got a good camera, you got good camera skills, you shoot videos, not pictures. I need a cameraman that shoots music videos. All right, that can shoot music videos that I can take to the mall, that can travel with me, all that. We gonna make a lot of money together. So cameraman out there, if you in Houston, Texas, surrounding areas, or can travel, tap in with me. Let's make this money. All right, so make sure y'all tapping in. Unlimited gems until Sunday will be $500. After Sunday, they either gonna be $1,000 or $1,200 or 15 or back to 200. I don't know, depending on what information I got going on. So make sure y'all tap in, get y'all unlimited gems for $500 while they still last. Book your seat right now on the crypto tour, in person unlimited gems. $3,500 in state, you come to me. $4,500, I gotta come out of state to you. $500 deposit to book your date and your seat. Once I meet you in person, rest of the payment, and we're gonna get to work. All right, mentorships is $1,500. Taking people under my wings. Yeah, so make sure y'all go run the subscribers up, the followers up on my real IG, King Hussle X1M, and the real King Hussle X1M. That's my backup second IG. Go follow all the YouTube channels. Got a giveaway coming soon, so tap in so you won't miss out. Just gave $5,000 away on my Telegram, so make sure y'all tapping in. Come to get these gems, come to get these lessons how to make this money, because we getting paid. Y'all got something real good coming real soon, so make sure y'all tap in, man. It's your boy King Hussle. I'll see y'all at the next video. Peace.